Hello everyone. Welcome to Life Hacks Daily, the channel where we share simple and useful tips for everyday life. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe so you won't miss any new tips we share every day. Today, we're going to explore 5 easy ways to help kids eat better, simple, gentle, and effective for every parent at home. Kids eat better when the atmosphere during mealtime is calm and comfortable. Turn off the TV and limit phone use while eating. Make sure the child sits safely, the lighting is soft, and use colorful bowls or plates to make the meal more exciting. Children can feel overwhelmed when they see a large plate of food. Instead of forcing them to finish everything, start with small portions. When they finish, you can gently offer a little more. This helps reduce pressure and makes eating feel easier. Kids love cute and playful things. Try cutting fruits and vegetables into stars, hearts, smiley faces, or simple animals. Even a plain sandwich becomes more appealing when decorated in a fun way. When kids take part in choosing ingredients or preparing small tasks, they become curious and more eager to try the food. Let them do simple things like picking carrots, washing fruit, or stirring a small bowl. This makes the mealtime experience more fun and meaningful. Children's bodies respond well to regular routines. Try to maintain consistent times for meals, sleep, and play. Avoid giving too many snacks between meals so your child will feel hungry and eat better during main meals. These are 5 easy ways to help kids eat better that any parent can apply at home. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Life Hacks Daily for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.